Today is Embarkation Day for the westbound Transatlantic cruise on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. The ship is located at the Moll Adossat cruise ship dock and will be boarding at Terminals B and C. We arrived at Terminal B at 9:15 a.m. for our boarding time of 10:45 a.m., and there was already a line forming. Facing the terminal, you'll see the entrance on the left. In the middle will be where people are disembarking from the previous week's cruise, as well as a white podium where you can get luggage tags. We had ours in our plastic sleeves and a link where you can order your own set in the description box below. To the right of the podium will be where you will hand off your luggage to the porters. Once inside the terminal, you'll go through security and then check in on the right. You'll be given a white card showing your boarding group, and then you'll move to the waiting area on the left. In front of the waiting area is the duty-free shop where you can find alcohol and other souvenirs for purchase. You can shop there before they start calling boarding numbers. Please note that I don't think they have this shop in Terminal C. One of the perks of sailing out of Barcelona is that you can take the alcohol you purchase here on board the ship, and it won't be confiscated like it would be at any other cruise port, since you'll be getting it after you've gone through security. Just make sure you pack a corkscrew if you think you'll be purchasing a bottle or two of wine. When your boarding number is called, you'll simply go through the shop, then angle towards the right and the escalator. They will have the embarkation photo area set up on the right of the escalator. Then you go up the escalator, turn to the right, and you'll exit out of the building and to the ship. Then just follow the crowd and board the ship. For this sailing, we were in an owner's suite, which included a separate living area from the bedroom area. We had a bar area, a glass table with 4 chairs, a sofa and 2 chairs, along with a flat screen TV and tons of storage. Although we had requested 2 twin beds, the queen bed hadn't been split yet. Please note that if you have this same situation, just let your room stewards know that you want the 2 twin beds and they'll split the bed for you. Next to the bedroom is a big walk-in closet area with 2 large closets, a ton of drawers and shelves, a large mirror and desk where you can get ready in private. There are 2 pocket doors so you can close them off and change in private. The bathroom was huge with dual sinks, a deep tub, and a separate shower which constantly leaked water all over the floor. The bathroom also had a bidet and a toilet. Again, there was a ton of storage in the bathroom. Last and certainly not least was the balcony, and it was massive with a table and 4 chairs, a chaise lounge, a comfy chair with an ottoman, and a low side table. Because we were in a suite, we were able to dine at Coastal Kitchen, the specialty dining location for suite guests, and usually Pinnacle level guests too, although on the Transatlantic, the Pinnacles had the solarium grill set aside for their exclusive use for the duration of the cruise. I had the split pea soup and a Caesar salad for lunch. Both were very yummy. We went back to the cabin to unpack our luggage and enjoyed the big balcony for a bit before returning to Coastal Kitchen for dinner and sail away. Since Coastal Kitchen faces the back of the ship, we were able to watch the ship back out of the port, swing around, and leave Barcelona behind. Tomorrow, we will be in Palma de Mallorca.